Hey, this is an exciting video. I'm doing double unboxing of my jewelry pieces. I am building my jewelry collection and have recently purchased two luxury bracelets from Cartier, and I'm sharing my first impressions. So let's start with the packaging of Cartier. It is actually very royal packaging. It feels like that you have traveled back an era. The waxy on the jewelry box really is amazing. This is the Cartier packaging, this is the vaccine. I like the packaging so much that I requested them to pack my other bracelet in a travel pouch and just pack in this style and give it to me so that I can keep it in my collection. This is the Cartier box. Let's This bracelet is part of the Cartier Cartier jewelry collection, which is inspired by the idea of clashing different materials and styles together to create something unique and unexpected. This is the bracelet. This is a small model, works for me as I have a thin wrist, and I think it particularly is well suited for people with smaller wrist or who prefer daintier style. This is 18 karat rose gold. It is a solid bangle, so that means it is easy to maintain. You can shower with this, you can go swimming, have it on your wrist on all times. For me, if I wear it all the time, I get marks. I think it happens with all the jewelry I wear, so I do not have any jewelry during the night on me. The sizes that are available for this are from 14 centimeter to 21 centimeter. I have a thin wrist, so 16 centimeter fits me the best in this bracelet. It fastens with a secure clasp and has sleek and slender design that is both stylish and comfortable to wear or remove. Here is the clasp and it blends beautifully within the bangle design. Let's try and open and wear this one. Yeah. This is how it opens. I do not need any help from anybody. I can just wear it on my own. It goes stuck and I'm trying to close it. Yes. So I have worn this. In my opinion, the way this bangle sits on the wrist, it definitely adds a touch of sophistication and glamour. The bracelet is made up of interlocking square-shaped links that have a polished finish. One of the standout features of this bracelet is its use of clean lines and geometric shapes. I like the way it makes a bit of sound. The way the bracelet reflects light, it's incredible. I think it will also not get visible scratches because of the geometrical design. This actually feels like a piece of art on my wrist. It is definitely a splurge at $7,000 pre-tax. I have worn this a couple of times during our vacation and mostly when we go out for dinner or so. Yeah, so that was my beautiful bracelet from Clash collection from Cartier. Okay, so let's move on. Now let's open the second bracelet. So I got my second bracelet in this travel pouch. Okay, I'll show you the travel pouch. And this is my second bracelet. This is from the Panthre collection. This is a simple design, a solid bangle, and has a panther face at one end. The eyes of the panther are two gemstones in green color and one onyx as the nose. This is 18 karat yellow gold. My favorite feature about this is the panther face and the ease of wearing this bracelet. The panther face definitely adds to the glamour of the bracelet. This is a simple design, so any scratches or marks on this will be shown. I got this in addition to my flash bracelet. When I was trying them on, I thought it would be great to wear them together. You can see it goes like this. Let me wear it the other side. The size of this bracelet is also 16 centimeters. It fits me a bit loose than this one. This is more well fitted. Since I thought of wearing them together, I bought both of them of the same size. Yeah. I think they look really pretty side by side. This is also a splurge at about $8,050, I believe. Along with the item, you get the bill, obviously. With the itemized bill, you get certificate of authenticity. There we go. This reads out, this reads out something like this. Cost per wear is definitely high. I wear bracelets only during summers, and as a bracelet is not my primary jewelry, I don't wear it daily. Hence, it is definitely an expensive piece in my collection. Both the Cartier pieces are going to be the most expensive in my collection. Both of the pieces are very unique. Hopefully, they will stand the test of time and I will be able to wear them more often than I plan to, because I really want the cost per wear to come down. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.